Yes, children. Children, today we will learn class first social studies. Yes, children. Class first social studies. Now, children, everyone take out your social textbook. Yes. Children, already we learn. Yes, children. Already we learn 12th lesson. Be safe lesson. Yes, children, isn't it? Already we learn. Be safe lesson is notes and lesson completed. Yes, children, now we learn plants around us. Yes, children. 13th lesson, plant around us. Lesson number 13. Yes, children. Lesson number 13. Plants around us. See, children, what is the lesson? Plants are all around us. Yes, children, plants are all around us. We find them in garden, forest, and even by the road they are living things. Yes, children, plants are all around us. Forests, gardens, on the roads. Yes, children, plants and trees also living things. Yes, children, living things. Why living things, plants and trees? Because they need water, they need sun, and they need soil. They need everything, children. That's why plants and trees are living things. Understood, children? Types of plants. Yes, children. Types of plants. Yes, children. Types of plants. Plants are different in shape. Plants in different in shape, children. Some plants big size and some plants small. Okay, children? Size, color same, are big and some are small. Color is same, children, not different colors. Plants, same green leaves and stem brown color, roots also brown, no color change. Only some plants are small and some plants are big. Yes, children, types of plants different in shape. Shapes also different. Okay, children, but color is same and some are big and some are small. Okay, plants are big and tall or called trees. Yes, children, some plants big and tall. Okay, children, they are called what, children? Trees. Yes, some plants big and tall, they are called trees. They have strong thick stem called trunk. Yes, children, they have strong thick, children, stem. Okay, called trunk. See, children, here one mango tree is there. See, children, here book. See, one mango tree is there. See, children. Yes, big mango tree is there. See. Yes, big mango tree is there, children. These mangoes. Yes, children, the trunk, the mangoes, the tree is very big. Mango tree. Yes, children, mango tree, shrubs, plants are big and small also, children. Okay, they are called trees. They have strong thick stem, children. Okay, stem is so strong. Thick stem called trunk. Shrubs. What is the shrub, children? Shrubs. Shrubs are the plants that are taller than herbs, shorter than trees. They have many branches and woody stem. Yes, children. Shrubs are the plants that are taller plant. Then herbs are shorter. Herbs shorter, children. Then trees, they have many branches and woody stems. Yes, children, have many branches and woody stem. These children, see these shrubs. See children, shrubs. Grass type. Shrubs. Yes, children, shrub. Short plants with soft green stem are called herb. Yes, children, short plant. Short plants with soft green stem and called herb. What is the herb, children? Herb is short plant. Herbs. Herb means short plant and soft green stem are called herb. Shrub, children, are the plants that are taller than herbs and shorter than trees. Okay, children, have many branches and woody stem. That is a shrub. See, children, here coriander is a herb. Yes, children, coriander is a herb. Yes, children, coriander is a herb. Yes, children, what is the herb, children? Herb is are the plant are the taller than herbs, shorter than trees. They many branches and woody stem. So, children, here see, children, coriander is a herb. See, children. Okay, some plants cannot stand straight. Yes, children, some planet cannot stand straight and need some support to climb. Yes, children, they need support to climb. They are called climbers. See, children, here grapevine is a climber. Yes, children, grapevine is a climber. They are not stand. Okay, children, need some support to climb. They are called climbers. See, children. Yes, children, grapevine is a climber. Yes, children, grapevine is a climber, not a tree, not a plant. Climber, children. Yes, see, children, here grapevine. Yes, this is a climber. Some plants creep on the ground. They are called creeper. As their fruit are big and heavy, they spread their branches on the ground. Yes, children, some plants creep on the ground. See, children, pumpkin is a creeper. So, children, pumpkin is a creeper. Okay, they called creeper as their fruit and big and heavy. Yes, children. So, creeper is under the ground, children. Yes, the fruit is very big and heavy. They spread the branches on the ground only, children. Understood? See, children, creeper and this is climber. Okay. Some plants creep on the ground. Some plants creep on the ground. They are called creepers as they fruit big and heavy. They spread the branches on the ground. Yes, children. See, children. This one pumpkin is a creeper. They are called, see children, the plants creep on the ground only. Okay, as they fruit a big and heavy. They spread the branches on the ground only. Okay, children, understood? Yes. Yes, children. Coriander is a herb. Grapevine is a climber. Pumpkin is a creeper. Okay, children? Some plants cannot just stand straight and need some support to climb. They are called climber. See, children, look at the picture of the plant and read the name of its parts. Okay, children? See, children, here. See, children. Okay. Flower. Children, all the children listen carefully. You also draw in your textbook, children. Okay, everyone draw in your classwork book drawing, children. Okay, this yes. See, children, this is a flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. This is a stem, S-T-E-M, and this is fruit, and this is bud, B-U-D, bud, okay, and this is leaf, okay, children, and this one is root, R-O-O-T, root. See, children, here, flower. This one is flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. And this one is stem. So, S-T-E-M, stem. And this one is fruit, F-R-U-I-T, fruit. And this one is bud, B-U-D, bud. And leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf. And this one is root, parts of a plant. Yes, children. See, children, here. Be carefully. See in your textbook carefully, children. This is a flower. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. And this is a stem. S-T-E-M, stem. Fruit. F-R-U-I-T, fruit. This is bud. B-U-D, bud. Bud means mogga. Yes, children. This is leaf. L-E-A-F, leaf. And this is root. R-O-O-T, root. This is a parts of a plant. Nice, children. See? Yes. See, children. Uses of plants. plants are very useful to us. Yes, children, plants is very useful to us. They keep the air we breathe fresh and clean. Yes, children, they keep the air is breathe. Okay, children, and fresh and clean. They give us food like fruit, vegetables, grains, and leaves also. They give us wood that is used to make tables and chairs. Yes, children, they give trees. Trees gives our what, children? Fruits like vegetables, grains, and leaves. Okay, children, and trees are give to wood. Yes, children, wood to make to tables, chairs, everything. Okay, they give us materials like cotton, jute that are used to cloths and bags. Yes, children, trees are gives to materials like cotton, jute used to make cloths and bags. They give us medicines also. Yes, children, like neem tree, tulsi plant, these all give to medicine. Okay, children, we should plant more trees and take care of them. Yes, children, we all should them more plants and trees, care of them. Okay, children, understood? Yes. Circle the things that we get from plant. Yes, children, circle the things we get from plant. Watermelon and pumpkin. Yes, children, watermelon and pumpkin we get from plant only. Okay, children, plants are living things. Yes, children, plants are living things. Plants need water, sunlight, air, everything. Okay, children, plants are living things. There are different kinds of plants. Yes, children, there are different kinds of plants. These are trees, herbs, shrubs, climbers, creepers. Plants are very useful to us. Yes, children, plants are very useful to us. Understood, children, lesson? Yes. Now, children, everyone take out your social class workbook. I'll give some hard works. Okay? Take out, children. Yes, children. Ready, children? Yeah. Children, first write the name of the lesson in your book, children. Write the lesson name in your classwork book. Plants around us. Yes, children. Write the lesson name. Plants around us. Yes, children. Ready, children? Sharpen your pencil, eraser in social classwork book. Yes, children. Hard words. Yes, children. Touch the first line and write the big alphabets. Okay, children. First one is like big one. Okay. First one is plants. 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 And second one is shrub. shrubs. Shrubs. And third one is herbs. 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 Fourth one is climber. 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 And fifth one is creeper. Creeper. C-R-E-E-P-E-R-S, creepers. And sixth one is branches, B-R-A-N-C-H-E-S, branches. Seventh one is ground, G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. And eighth one is T-R-U-N-K, trunk. And ninth one is living thing, L-I-V-I-N-G, living, T-H-I-N-G, living thing. Yes, children. Tenth one is small, S-M-A-L-L, small. And 12th one is big. And last one, 12th one is, 11th one is big and 12th one is T-R-E-E-S, trees. Yes, children. 12 hard words. Write neatly in your classwork book now, children. Okay? Write neatly, children. Start writing. Yes, children. Finish, children, these hard words. Writing in your classwork book. Yes. Now, children, these hard words repeat after me, children. Okay. Now everyone put in your finger in your classwork book. Yes, ready children? Plants, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. Repeat children, P-L-A-N-T-S, plant. Shrubs, S-H-R-U-B-S, shrubs, S-H-R-U-B-S, shrub. Herbs, H-E-R-B-S, herbs, H-E-R-B-S, herbs. P-L-A-N-T-S, plants, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. S-H-R-U-B-S, shrubs, S-H-R-U-B-S, shrubs. Herbs, H-E-R-B-S, herbs, H-E-R-B-S, herbs. Climber, C-L-I-M-B-E-R, climber, C-L-I-M-B-E-R, climber, C-L-I-M-B-E-R, climber. Creepers, C-R-E-E-P-E-R-S, creepers, C-R-E-E-P-E-R-S, creepers. Branches, B-R-A-N-C-H-E-S, branches, B-R-A-N-C-H-E-S, branches. Ground, G-R-O-U-N-D, ground, G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. Trunk, T-R-U-N-K, trunk, T-R-U-N-K, trunk. Living thing, L-I-V-I-N-G, living, T-H-I-N-G, thing, living thing, L-I-V-I-N-G, living, T-H-I-N-G, thing. Small, S-M-A-L-L, small, S-M-A-L-L, small. B-I-G, big, B-I-G, big, T-R-E-E-S, trees. Yes children, T-R-E-E-S, trees. So children, plants, P-L-A-N-T-S. Yes children, plants all around us. We find them, plants, gardens, in forest, even by the road. And plants are living thing. Yes children, plants are living thing. Shrub, shrub are the plant. Okay children, that are taller than herb, the shorter than trees. Okay children, herb, short plant and green soft green stem are called herbs. Climber, yes children, climber. Some plants cannot stand straight and need support to climb. They are called climber. Okay children, creeper. Some plants creep on the ground. They are called creeper. Okay children, fruits are big, heavy. Their branches, they spread the branches on the ground. Ground, G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. Yes children. Trunk, yes children, the big trees. Okay children, the big and tall trees are, the big and tall or tall trees, they have a strong thick stem. They are called trunk, living thing. Yes children, even by the road the plants are living thing, L-I-V-I-N-G, living, T-H-I-N-G, thing. Yes children, some plants are small and big, S-M-A-L-L, small, P-I-N-G, big. Okay, the big and tall, they are called trees, T-R-E-E-S, trees. Understood children? Yes. Now children, one more time these hard words repeat children. Okay? Yes, start children. P-L-A-N-T-S, plants, P-L-A-N-T-S, plant. Shrubs, S-H-R-U-B-S, shrubs, S-H-R-U-B-S, shrubs. Herbs, H-E-R-B-S, herbs, H-E-R-B-S, herbs. Climber, C-L-I-M-B-E climber. Creepers, creepers, creepers. Branches, branches, branches. Ground, ground, ground. Trunk, trunk, trunk. Living thing, living, living, thing, living thing. Small, small, small. Big, big. Tress, trees. Okay children, understood children? Yes children, now Sakshi. Write neatly children, Sakshi in your classwork book. Sakshi homework. Lesson number 13. Hard words. Homework one time. One time homework. Okay children, write neatly children. Sakshi, lesson number 13. Hard words, one time homework. Yes children, these hard words. Plants, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers, branches, ground, trunk, living things, small, big trees. These hard words write one time homework in your classwork book. Okay children, your homework is finished and you take the photo and send me school mail ID. My school, my homework @gmail.com. You send in your homework children. I'll check your homework. Okay children, bye. We'll meet you next section. Bye children. Take care.